Yee from Pasadena has bulkhead blues.
Well, he just replaced. Sounds like an old song.
Well,
Then I got them bulkhead blues. He got a vinyl one he replaced. Now he's got problems. He says he replaced that one in November. And Yee writes to us, in December, we started seeing sinkholes on our property. And our contractor tells us it's pretty standard to come back and have to backfill after one of those projects a couple months afterward. And he wants to know, is that true, Tom? And no one mentioned having to do this before.
Well, because you didn't know if you had to. I don't know if they'd mention it, but if it's common, yeah, I mean, it can happen. But what bothers me is the word sinkhole.
Right.
A sinkhole is pretty serious stuff.
Well,
if you really had a sinkhole, I'd be really worried.
Is it possible there could be some hyperbole in his description?
Listen, anytime you put dirt in a hole, it's going to settle, and you're going to have to come back and fill it up. I don't care if you fill a hole up in your backyard. It's going to compact after a while. So if it's not too serious and that's all it takes is a little leveling, do it. And it might be all that you need to do. But be careful when you use the word sinkhole. If you've been in Florida and seen a sinkhole, they're pretty vicious.
Yeah, but that's probably not what he's... No. I think if he had a sinkhole in Pasadena, we would have seen it on the news last night.
Yeah, it's been interesting.
Yeah.
Anyway, fill it up. Try it. If it keeps happening, then you've got a breach somewhere where the water's washing out, and you have a washout spot, so you have to troubleshoot that. But right now, I'd give it one chance and just fill the areas that have settled.
All right. Don't settle for bad answers, though. Send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll take care of you. Check our videos out over here. And please, would you subscribe to our channel? It would help us out.